Hello friends, we will see now conditional probability. Probability of happening of an event when it is dependent on the other event. How we write? P A intersection B when A and B are dependent on each other is written as P A into P B when A has already happened. So this is the dependent problems formula for happening them simultaneously. Both are happening because the dependent of B is there on the happening of A. That we will see in the problems. See in this question. A bag contains 5 white, 7 red and 8 black balls. 4 balls are drawn one by one. Find the probability of getting all white ball. Firstly, we have to translate that what we want. We want the drawing of 4 balls and the 4 have to be white. All the 4s to be white. So the translation required probability will be first white into second white into third white into fourth white. So all the 4 balls have to be white. Now first white, how many whites are there? 5 C1 and total is 20 C1. Now see, now one ball has been drawn. So now we are left with only 19 balls, out of which 4 are white because 1 white have been drawn. So out of 4 white we can draw 1 in this fashion and 19 balls are left. This is favorable outcome by total outcome. The favorable possibilities by total possibility. Now how many white balls? 3 balls are left and the total number of balls are not 19 now, it is going to be 18. So 18 C1 into, now the last ball, how many options? 2 options are there, 2 white balls are left over by 17 C1. If we just simplify this thing, we can easily get, that is 5 by 20 into 4 by 19 into 3 by 18 into 2 by 17. So we can find the probability of drawing all the 4 white balls. In question number this, we see that 2 balls are drawn from an urn containing 2 white, 3 red, 4 black balls, one by one without replacement. That means 1 ball is drawn and then thrown away. Okay. What's the probability of at least 1 ball is red? We have developed the concept of finding at least 1. At least 1 means 1 minus none. So we follow the basic concept 1 minus none is red. If out of total probability we just rule out the probability that none is red, that means at least 1 will be red. So how to do? 1 minus none is red, that means first is non-red and second is also non-red. We will write first ball non-red and so into second ball also non-red. So now just see, how can I draw a ball which is non-red? Non-red balls are 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by total 9. Now 1 ball has been drawn and thrown. So we are left with 5 non-red, out of which total balls are 8 now because 1 ball has been thrown. So that is the probability of at least 1 is red. We can just simplify this thing, that is 72 minus 30 divided by 72. It is coming out to be 42 by 72. We can find the probability. Sometime the problem is asked like that. 2 bags are there, bag 1 and bag B. It is containing 2 white, 3 black. It is containing 3 white, 4 black. Now they say one ball is transferred from bag number A to bag number B, and then one ball is drawn from bag number B. What is the probability of coming out to be white ball? So you have to translate it firstly into mathematical language and then find out. One ball is transferred. It can be one white from bag A. White has been transferred. Now the combination here is becoming 4 white, 4 black. Now from bag number 2, I have to draw one white ball. One white ball. So the probability is consisting of 3 events. First event, the changing here, the sample space is changing here, and now we have to draw from here. So one white from bag A, it can be transferred in 2 by 5 ways, because 2 white are there and total balls are 5. Into now one white ball I have to draw. The combination is like this. So white ball can be drawn in 4 by 8 ways. This is the case number 1. Case 2 can be that one black ball transferred, black from bag A. What is the combination becoming here? White is remaining 3, but black are becoming 5. And we have to find the probability of drawing one white ball. See here, one black. Black can be selected in 3 by 5 ways. Now I have to draw white ball from the second bag. It can be done in, you see, 3 white are there, 3 white, and total is 8 by this. So the total outcome, either what we want will happen in this way or that way. Or means we have to add up both the probabilities. So the total probability will be either this is coming out to be 8 by 40 plus it is coming out to be 9 by 40. So this is coming out to be 17 by 40. That is the required probability. Hope you are understanding that multiplication theorem, the conditional probability, how the sample space is changing and applying it. I just recommend you translate the events correctly. Once the translation is done, you just write the mathematical thing for that and your thing is done. It is that much easy. Hope you are understanding. Thank you.